How to fix login errors on Varo mobile app. If you want to fix login errors on the Varo mobile banking application, it's actually quite simple, but it's not just one reason. The first thing we want to check is our internet connection and making sure that they are working just fine. Once you make sure that the internet connection is working just fine, the next thing that you want to check is simply open up settings, then simply go ahead and then simply go to the general option, iPhone storage, and from here simply search for the Varo application by tapping the show all button, scrolling down until you find that app. And after you find that app, you want to simply offload that particular application. So here you can see Varo app, tap on Offload app and tap on offload. After that, go ahead and reinstall it. Also check for the update from the App Store and check if the Varo app has any sort of update available. And once you've done that, you should be able to fix the most of the login issues. If you're still having the issues, then chances are that you have entered an incorrect login detail. So you might want to reset your login details by tapping the forgot password button, entering your email, tapping on the next option and resetting your login details. Hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.